Hi, I'm Jenny, and I'm here to help you learn English. Today, I want to share a few fun expressions that make learning English feel like an adventure. Let's start with the phrase asterisk, piece of cake. Asterisk, imagine you're tackling something that seems really difficult, and then suddenly, it just clicks. When we say something is a piece of cake asterisk, we mean it's actually easy. Like how learning these phrases is going to be for you. Last week, I was helping my little sister with her homework. She was so stressed, but I told her, "Don't worry, this math problem is a piece of cake." That made her smile, and with a bit of confidence, she solved it right away. Using these expressions not only makes us feel better, but it also helps us connect with others. Now, here's another phrase, break the ice. Asterisk, have you ever felt a little shy when meeting someone new? Breaking the ice means doing something friendly to make everyone feel more comfortable. When I met my English class for the first time, I told a funny story to break the ice, and suddenly, everyone was laughing and chatting. Sometimes, all it takes is a small gesture to turn strangers into friends. Learning English is like that, taking small, friendly steps every day. Remember, it's a journey, and I'll be here with you every step of the way, making it all feel like a piece of cake.